It's been a long while, and I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading videos or keeping you guys updated. I'm back fully. Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi. If this is your first time of coming through, you are welcome. My subscribers, thank you, and you're welcome as well. And for those who just watch my videos and they do not bother to subscribe, you are also welcome. Today's video is going to be different. I'm going to be giving you a recipe for a body oil that will glow, moisturize, and hydrate your skin and also treat your skin. The first product we're going to be using in this formulation is papaya oil. This is my base oil. This oil is great and it can help your skin to stay hydrated and moisturized. It helps to reduce dryness, which also helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Very good for dry skin and flaky skin. And since I have dry skin, this is one of my go-to oils. Next oil is watermelon oil. This is perfect for troubled skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, very good for calming the skin. It has a non-comedogenic oil. It is a non-comedogenic oil and it's very good. It will not clog your pores. I love this oil because it helps to detoxify the skin. It helps to fight against acne and it has very good penetration. It goes deep into your skin without just staying on the surface, and it helps to remove impurities from your skin. This is also an ideal oil for face cleansing. If you want to cleanse your face, this is your go-to oil. The next oil we're adding is going to be grapeseed oil. This contains vitamin E and linoleic acid. It helps to lighten skin discolorations like acne scars and sunspots. It's also, this is one of the oils that has a lot of studies to back up how powerful it is. It helps in the healing process and it also helps with things like scars and acne. The next oil we are adding is apricot cannel oil. This is another powerhouse for dry skin. It contains vitamin A. It absorbs deeply into the skin and provide long-lasting moisturization. The fatty acid present inside this will make the oil not to be greasy on the skin, so it's non-greasy, and it will help to restore moisture to your skin. The next oil we're looking into is rosehip oil. This will help to brighten and even out the skin. It will help to regenerate your skin cells. It's good for healing. It helps with anti-aging, elasticity, collagen production, and it works for all skin type. This oil will help to soften your skin and improve the skin barrier functions. The next oil we're adding is turmeric oil. This will help to tighten, tone, and brighten your skin. It's rich in antioxidants. It maintains skin softness, smoothness, and gives this natural radiance. This is used in a very small percentage because turmeric oil can actually stain your clothing, so you have to use it in a very small percentage. This oil is made by me, and I'm going to show you guys how I made this oil very soon. Now, the next oil we're adding is lavender essential oil. This add moisture to the skin. Lavender oil is naturally antibacterial, meaning it can kill acne causing bacteria that might infiltrate your skin or your pores. It is perfect for preventing, calming, and healing painful acne breakouts. The next oil we are going to be adding to our formulation is spearmint essential oil. This has a large number of antioxidants, and this is very good for all skin type as well. It helps to diminish the appearance of skin imperfections such as wrinkles, dark spots, discoloration. It will give your skin this youthful and glowing skin and also increase your skin elasticity. If you look at how I combine this oil, you will see that I really put together very good oils. The last oil that we're going to be adding to our formulation is vitamin E. This is a powerhouse of antioxidants and it also has anti-inflammatory properties that are effective in maintaining good skin health. This will also help to keep our oil fresh and protect it from going rancid. That's why we need to add vitamin E into this formulation. Guys, by the time I finished doing this, I realized that this beaker, I was actually making an 100 ml oil, and the beaker was full. I will not be able to mix my oil together. As you can see, I'm trying to pour it into a bigger beaker so that I can have the chance to mix well before I bottle my oil. If you are watching this video till now and you have not been moved to subscribe, what would I need to do? What do I need to do, guys? I have so many lovely things to share with you on this channel. Very, very good, effective recipes. You just need to stay tuned and enjoy all the nice things that I will be bringing. But if you don't subscribe, you're going to miss out. So please pause this video right now, press that subscription button and just subscribe. I will really appreciate that. Now I have mixed my oil. Can you see how beautiful this oil is? This is one of the reasons why I like rosehip oil. It gives your oil this beautiful golden kind of color. I just love it. And then the papaya, oh my god, that papaya oil smells so sweet. You do not need the fragrance with this oil because the papaya oil alone will give it the most amazing fragrance. I'm gonna bottle this oil in these two 50-gram bottles, and this is for my YouTube family. If you are here and you watch this video and want to have this oil, all you need to do is place an order on our website and just leave a note in the comments that I want the oil, or hello, I'm from YouTube, and you'll be on the chance to get one of this oil. I only have two. Just gonna pick some people randomly. This oil will be given out on the same day that this video is uploaded. So the day that I upload this oil, I will wait a couple of hours and then I'm going to put this oil in two people's order. I don't know. I'm just gonna pick people at random. But please leave a comment. If you don't leave a comment, you will not get the chance to get this amazing, lightning, stunning looking oil. This oil is not those one of those oils that after sometimes it will now separate. No, this is how it's going to be till you finish it. And this oil will really, really hydrate you. It will moisturize your skin. It will treat your skin if you have wrinkles, if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have any imperfection in your skin. All skin types can use this. That's why I use oil that is good for dry skin, oil that is good for irritated skin, oil that is good for sensitive skin, and oil that is good for normal and oily skin. Everybody can use this oil. The oils that I pick also are oils that penetrate deep into the skin. Here is when I'm trying out the oil so that you can see how moisturizing and how well this oil will penetrate deep in your skin without leaving any oil residue on your skin. I really, really love this oil. Every time I make this oil, my children are always saying, wow, that smells nice. That smell alone, eh? When you open it, you will come back and tell me. If you get this oil, make sure you come back on YouTube and give your review. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is my first time of making this video. I hope I did it well. Till next time.